Hello guys, my name is Craig and welcome to Peri Solutions. In today's video, we're going to be talking about negative numbers. But before we start, please make sure that if you're new to my channel, you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video. So to start off, an easy way to think about calculations with negative numbers is to look at changes in temperature, right? So suppose that the temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius and it rises by 7 degrees Celsius. So if we need to find the new temperature, we would say minus 2 degrees Celsius, right? And since this is a rise, we're saying plus 7 degrees Celsius. And this will give us a positive 5 degrees Celsius, which you can just write as 5 degrees Celsius, right? Because minus 2 plus 7 is just the same as saying 7 minus 2, right? Which will give us a 5. Then suppose the temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius and it falls by 6 degrees Celsius. So to get the new temperature, let's say minus 3 degrees Celsius, right? And since this is now a 4, that will be minus 6 degrees Celsius, right? So now minus 3 minus 6, right, that will give us minus 9 degrees Celsius, like that. Alright, so this is how we handle calculations that have to do with negative numbers. Now we shall attempt this couple of questions just to apply how we would handle negative numbers. So allow me to erase this part here. Okay, so the first question says that the temperature is plus 8 degrees Celsius and it falls by 3 degrees Celsius. So to get the new temperature, you would say plus 8, right? And since this is a 4 minus 3, right? We're subtracting by 3. So this 8 minus 3, we know that's a plus 5. So this would be the new temperature. Then for the second question, the temperature is minus 1 degrees Celsius and it falls by 6 degrees Celsius. So we're saying that minus 1, and since this is a 4 again, that will be minus 1 minus 6, which will be minus 7 degrees Celsius, like that. Right, then looking at this one, number 3, we're told that the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius and it rises by 4 degrees Celsius. So to get the new temperature, we're saying minus 8, right, and since this is a rise, that will be plus 4, right? And this will give us a minus 4 degrees Celsius, like that, right? Then looking at the last question, we're told that a diver is below the surface of water at minus 15 meters, right? He dives down by 6 meters, then rises 4 meters. Where is he now, right? This is with reference to the surface of water, right? So we're told that he's below at minus 15, right? So we're saying minus 15 meters, right? And he then dives down by 6 meters, right? So that will be minus 6 since it's diving down, right? Then he rises 4 meters. So rising 4 meters, that will be plus 4, right? So now we have to come up with the calculation of this. Right, which minus 15 minus 6, that will give us minus 21. The minus 21 plus 4, that will give us minus 17. Right, so this is where he is now. So the diameter is minus 15 meters below the surface of water. This is how we compute calculations to do with negative numbers. Just a basic introduction of how we attempt this question. So please feel free to leave a comment, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.